In my previous Eufy video doorbell and Chime video, I showed you how to set it up. Now let's look at the app features. In the Eufy app, you can add other Eufy cameras or devices you have. There is a fun page where you can carry out different tasks, and in return you will earn credit. And with that credit you can redeem them on Amazon. Basically, if you keep on top earning credits, you can easily make your money back on the video doorbell. The backup cloud is an option than storing your footage on a micro SD card. It looks like it has the same price range as the Ring plan. Another opportunity to earn money is by referring your family and friends to join and purchase any of Eufy products. Virtual Tour gives you an idea of what cameras you can install around your home. In community, you can see what others have posted, what they have captured through the Eufy cameras. There's advice, tips and fun posts to scroll through. Enhanced by AI, this is where you can donate your videos that have used AI so that it can help Eufy for improvements. And from this, you can earn credit. Now that's 3 ways to earn credit. I'm sure you guys can make your money back on this. Lab Features allows you to produce a daily security report on a device. Make sure you're all good to go on your warranty. Control Center allows you to configure account control and device control. A brief look at settings. Yes, it works with Alexa, Google and Apple. Just make sure your permissions are on and allowed in your applications on your smartphone. If you've got any questions, check the help center or contact them. On the homepage, you can see your battery and Wi-Fi levels. Click on the small box icon and the timeline will appear of all events. You can download, share, donate or delete. Click on the play button to view live. Let's take a brief look at its features. You can record, screenshot, talk live or quickly reply.
Excuse me, can I help you? Please leave it at the door. We will be right there.
In settings of this doorbell device, you can connect to your home base, configure motion detection and power management. I would recommend you guys to have the Eufy Doorbell wired up, but the option is there to have it battery powered. With the Eufy Doorbell you can record up to 2 minutes long. Delivery Guard notifies you about your delivery and protects your packages with AI. Familiar faces, you can teach your camera to recognize people, so I believe it will notify you who is at the door. This is my favorite feature, the response.
Assalamu alaikum. Assalamu alaikum.
Good morning, how can I help you?
Good morning. How can I help you?
Indoor chime. Video settings, night vision settings, remove watermark, and you got improved video quality. You can add privacy zones, so basically it will block certain areas where you don't want it to record. Audio settings. Phone app alerts. Status LED, I believe, is the light around where you press the doorbell. As I said before guys, it's best to put a genuine micro SD card in your Chime so you can store more footage, and make sure it's a class 10 so it can produce better quality video footage. You can only use the pre-recording if your doorbell is wired. And finally guys, you can share your device, either admin controls or guest. Share by sending them an email.
Assalamu alaikum.